net 170.
It's 170.
It's fast, agile, and battle-proven. A marvel of modern engineering that has become a defining force in aerial combat. To its pilots, it's a trusted workhorse. To its adversaries, a formidable foe. This is the F-16 Fighting Falcon, better known as the Viper. The story of the F-16 begins in the 1970s. The US Air Force needed a lightweight and highly maneuverable fighter to counter growing threats. The solution? The General Dynamics F-16, designed for air dominance and ground attack alike. With its advanced aerodynamics and cutting-edge technology, the F-16 revolutionized the concept of multirole fighter jets. Capable of reaching speeds over Mach 2, with a ceiling of 50,000 feet, the F-16 was built for speed and agility. With its bubble canopy providing unmatched visibility and fly-by-wire controls ensuring precision handling, the Viper became a pilot's dream. Each new version has brought improvements in radar, avionics, and weapon systems, keeping it relevant in modern combat. The F-16 has seen action across multiple war zones, from the Persian Gulf to the Balkans. It has engaged enemy aircraft and carried out precision strikes with deadly efficiency. It played a crucial role in Operation Desert Storm, executing thousands of combat sorties. With over 70 confirmed aerial victories and countless success missions, the F-16's combat record speaks for itself. Even as newer jets enter service, the F-16 continues to evolve. Countries worldwide have modernized their fleets with advanced sensors, new weapons, and extended service life programs. With ongoing upgrades, the F-16 remains a cornerstone of many air forces well into the 21st century. Why is the F-16 so legendary? Its revolutionary design, its combat success, or its long service life? It represents an era of fast, versatile, and highly capable air combat. Beyond the battlefield, the F-16 has made its mark in popular culture. From blockbuster films to video games, its legacy continues to inspire generations of aviation enthusiasts. Thank you for joining us in celebrating the history of the F-16 Fighting Falcon. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the legendary F-16, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps us out. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on a new video. Share your thoughts and favorite F-16 stories in the comments below. Click the video on the left if you'd like to see our previous video on the MiG-21. And if you want to see more of our aviation documentaries, click the video on the right. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.